Log in Telegram without phone number. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is me Bipin Basnat, and today I'll guide you on how you can log in to Telegram without phone number. Now, first things first, I'll just get it straight. What you'll have to know is there is no any absolute way that you can log into Telegram without a phone number. Whether to sign up or to log in, you'll have to require a phone number. Now, if you set a password for your account once you have created an account with your phone number, then you will just have to enter in your password and phone number. However, you will have to require phone number for that as well. Now, here is an alternate solution that I'll guide you through. What you can do is you can head into your browser, and on your browser you can search in for virtual number there, virtual number for OTP. And what it does is you can go to those sites. Now I'm not showing it here, but you can go to any of this site and you can get there a number that you can use to log into Telegram. You'll get the code on that site as well, the code or SMS that you'll get from Telegram for the login verification or the confirmation code. So this way you can log into Telegram without phone number. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.